Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to start Buy Me a Coffee and earn money. First, what is Buy Me a Coffee? This is a platform that is perfect for creators that are looking to monetize their audience, as you'll be able to get started for completely free. With Buy Me a Coffee, you'll be able to earn 95 or better yet keep 95% of the money that you make. So while it is completely free to use Buy Me a Coffee technically, they'll get 5% of whatever you earn. And you can see right here, how do you get paid? Well, with Buy Me a Coffee, you'll be able to get paid with your local bank account, as they currently support over 110 different countries. And with Buy Me a Coffee also, you can see is there a fee. Just like what I was saying earlier, you'll be charged a 5% transaction fee. So that's it. So Buy Me a Coffee is definitely a win-win. And also with Buy Me a Coffee, there is a settings that you can toggle on, so you won't be the one that also incurs the credit card fee. Instead, your audience will also pay that fee. So it is definitely a win-win for you as the creator and also your audience, because they'll be able to get better access to you. As with Buy Me a Coffee, you can set it up so that it is a more interactive or intimate platform, so you'll be able to share your thoughts and so on with your audience. To get started, you're going to go onto buymeacoffee.com, and once you have entered your email address and some basic sign up information, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, what you want to do next is you can first decide how you're going to monetize your audience. For example, you could tap on membership from the left-hand menu option. After tapping on membership, you could tap on enable membership. And this is where you'll be able to create different tiers or different level for different features. For example, the basic level, level 1, let's say they'll be paying $5 per month. You can give it the membership a name. So I'm going to give it the name Test 1. You can choose the price right there. And you can also see a yearly discounted price that you'll be giving them. You can then upload a cover image right here, add a quick description. And after you have done that, you can scroll down and you can set different rewards that they could get access to. So you can see support me on a monthly basis, unlock exclusive posts and messages, and you can add another reward right there. You can choose whether you'd like to limit the number of members, give members access to selected Discord roles, and so on. Then you can type out a thank you note and tap on create. So for example, let's say the first tier of customers will only get access to the posts that you'll be adding on Buy Me a Coffee. And then you could create a second tier that would get access to, for example, consultation or so on, as they'll get access to a direct link, so they could link you for consultation or so on. So that's how you'll be able to set up the different membership. Another thing that you can also do is create a shop. So if we were to tap on shop from the left-hand menu option, from there you can see you also have a few options. You could tap on digital product, and from there, for example, you could sell an ebook or you could sell different templates. If we were to tap on digital product, you could enter the digital product name, add a quick description. This would be the cover image right here. Set your price. Then from here, you'll be able to tap on upload file, and you'll be able to upload the digital product that persons will receive once they have completed their payment. Once they have finished doing that, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and the product would have been added. Another way how you can also monetize your audience is by offering one-on-one Zoom call. You could tap on one-on-one Zoom call right there. You can also choose to sell tickets for an event, or you could sell physical products using this platform. So you have numerous different ways how you can choose to monetize your audience. And you will see your products right here that you have listed. And also, as I was saying earlier, you could tap on posts, and from here you could post different content that persons will get access to depending on their membership. You can see that you can also upload audio, You can also create a poll that you can share. And you can also send direct messages. So you could tap on messages right here and you could send direct messages. Now, if we were to tap on buttons and graphics, from here, if you have a website that you would like to embed Buy Me a Coffee on, you can see that they provide you with that option. So for example, you could generate a website widget if you want, or if you would like to generate a website button, you can do that. You can also scroll down and you could create a QR code that you can quickly share on whichever social media platform that you want. And when it comes on to payouts, you can tap on payouts from the bottom left hand corner. And from there, you'll be able to set up different payment options. So you can tap on set up payouts and you could connect your Stripe account so that you'll be able to receive payments. And to continue setting up your page, you're going to tap on settings right here. After tapping on settings, from here you can choose your payment currency. If in the future you'd like to add your Google Analytics, so you'll get a better understanding of the persons that are visiting your page, for example, what country they're coming from and so on, you can paste in your Google Analytics right there. And if we were to go over to the top right hand corner, from here you can tap on View My Page and you'll be able to view how your page looks at the moment. And you can see right here we are provided with a free custom URL that you can copy and share. And you can continue editing your page by tapping on Add Cover Image. You could upload a cover image right there. And overall, you could tap on Edit Page right here. If you would like to change the name, you could do that. You can also change the profile photo. You can also scroll down and you can arrange the different features that you'll be selling and so on. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.